If you are facing problems like we don't support VoIP members error while signing up for Telegram on Android, then watch this video till the end. Today, I'm going to show you some fixes that might help you resolve this problem. Fix 1. Checking the basic settings. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If the app is not updated, then update the app. Try using mobile data instead of broadband connection. Check if the given mobile number is correct. Remove the unnecessary space and hyphen between the numbers. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Restart the device before opening Telegram. Fix 2. Clearing the app cache. To do this, long press on the Telegram app, tap on the I button to open the app info settings. Then go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom. Go one step back, open Permissions, tap on All Types of Permission, and then there's Fix 3, which is Report to Telegram. Open a browser, go to telegram.org/support. Here, write the problem about your phone number in the description box. Give a valid email and a phone number to notify you. Tap on Submit. Telegram will come up with a solution within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Want more tutorials on Telegram? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.